the right of the wife to claim maintenance under Hindu Adoption Act, under Hindu Marriage Act, and CRPC, correspondingly BNSS. Let's understand. A wife has a right to claim maintenance under Hindu Marriage Act under Section 24 and 25 respectively. Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act talks about maintenance pendentilite. वहाँ पे जो maintenance दिया जाता है, that is not as a main relief but as an ancillary relief. It is during the proceedings that the wife is given maintenance under 24. 25 में maintenance in the form of alimony is granted to the wife under Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act. Section 125 CRPC, correspondingly 144 BNSS, talks about maintenance to wife, but CRPC is a criminal law. It is dealing with Criminal Procedure Code. Even then, we have given one provision with respect to maintenance to wife under CRPC. Then we have Section 18 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, which again talks about maintenance, but we have to understand that what is the difference between Section 18 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, 24 and 25 of HMA, and 125 CRPC. So under Section 18 of Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act and Section 125 CRPC, only wives can claim maintenance. But under Hindu Marriage Act, it is mentioned that either of the spouse. So that means even the husband can claim maintenance under Hindu Marriage Act. Secondly, under Section 125 CRPC, a wife can claim maintenance even after the marriage has been dissolved. But under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act, Section 18, a wife can claim maintenance only when the marriage subsists. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is EJ Law Academy by Mrs. Kritika Singh. And to be part of our community, you can join my WhatsApp group by going to my Instagram page and clicking on the link to join my WhatsApp community. Thank you.